Today I'm just gonna show you how to upload your edits to the TikTok without losing the quality. First thing first, I'm just gonna show you what I'm doing. That's my video. I don't really have time for making video. I just opened a new TikTok account and I just tried to make every edit possible. So that's the quality right now. Okay, and 420 FPS, but I'm gonna make it 60 and the quality is I'm just gonna do it like this. The hell? I'm gonna do it like that. Yep, and 60 FPS. You can do it because the both mobile and the PC. So as you can see, I'm just upload it like that. If TikTok's not gonna ruin the quality or not. And when I'm exporting, I'm not gonna export from like this. I'm gonna export on media encoder. So the first thing is we can use maximum render quality from here. Goes like this. So from the format I'm going to just 8265, and once we got it, so I'm going to do it on frame blending because original video was 120 fps, but we're making it 600, and maximum file size has to be 30. I'm gonna tell you why. So if you're using a mobile, you have to download the Kiwi browser, but if you're using PC, Chrome's gonna work. We're gonna work with the extensions right now. So what you can do, first thing, you're gonna create download VPN. It's gonna be a free VPN. It has to be USA VPN, and after that you're gonna download editing news extension. From here you're gonna just add it to the Chrome and you can find it from here. So I got to VPN, it's connected. I'm just gonna connect it again, and you're gonna use TikTok Enhancer. First time you come to this place, it's gonna ask for you to provide your Telegram account. So you're just gonna start the bot. You're just gonna join to 2 channels. That's not too much. And it's gonna give us 3 times a week 30 megabyte upload limit. And now you can see the TikTok Enhancer is on right here. And let's check it. Yep, HQ upload is on. So if I'm choosing something more than 30 megabytes, it says no. And if I'm choosing upload or upload method, it's gonna do it like this. So we can just change the things, like I'm gonna use Faguri quality test. It's gonna hashtags on Faguri anime quality test. By the way, I just create this account. It's a new one because I do not use TikTok or Instagram right now. As you can see, I'm just going to use it for post, but only you. It has to be in there about like 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, you can post it to everyone, but before that, do not post it. You're gonna choose from here to everyone. If you wanna see the result, travis.ytb, you can see the result here. I'm gonna post this video after 45 minutes. So that's it. Thanks for watching, subscribe, and have a great day.